Ever wonder how one of the most iconic pieces of military hardware, the hand grenade, is made? It's a fascinating process that transforms simple raw materials into a precise and powerful tool. Today, we're going deep inside the factory to uncover the entire journey from a lump of metal to a battlefield-ready detonator. Let's get started. It all begins with the body, the part you actually hold. The classic pineapple design isn't just for looks. It helps with grip and fragmentation. The process starts with casting. High-quality steel is melted down in a furnace, reaching incredibly high temperatures. This molten metal is then poured into a two-part sand mold, precisely shaped to form the outer shell of the grenade. These molds are made from a mixture of sand and a binding agent, packed tightly to create a perfect negative impression of the grenade body. Once the molten steel is poured in, it's left to cool and solidify. After cooling, the molds are broken apart, revealing the rough, newly formed grenade casings. They look a bit raw at this stage, with extra bits of metal called flash. These casings then head to the finishing department. Here, workers use grinders and other tools to smooth down the rough edges and remove any imperfections. Each body is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. It's a hands-on process that requires a keen eye for detail. The next step is threading the opening at the top, which is crucial for attaching the fuse assembly later on. Now let's talk about what makes it go bang, the explosive filler. The empty grenade bodies are carefully transported to a specialized, highly secure area of the factory. Here they are filled with a high explosive compound. It's often something like Composition B, which is a mix of RDX and TNT. This process is extremely dangerous and is often automated or done remotely to ensure worker safety. Each grenade is precisely filled to the exact weight. Too little, and it won't be effective. Too much, and it could be unstable. While the bodies are being filled, another critical component is being assembled separately, the fuse mechanism. This is the part that starts the countdown. It consists of a striker, a spring, a safety lever or spoon, a safety pin, and a primer. When the safety pin is pulled and the grenade is thrown, the safety lever flies off. This releases the spring-loaded striker, which swings down and hits the primer. The primer ignites a pyrotechnic delay element, which burns for a few seconds, usually about 4 to 5 before initiating the main detonator. The final assembly is where it all comes together. The completed fuse mechanism is carefully screwed into the top of the filled grenade body. Each assembled grenade undergoes a final, rigorous inspection. This includes checking the weight, ensuring the safety pin and lever are secure, and verifying that all components are correctly fitted. They are then painted, typically an olive drab, and marked with lot numbers and other identifying information for traceability. From there, the finished grenades are carefully packaged in specialized containers, designed to transport them safely. They are now ready to be shipped out and supplied to military forces around the world. It's a complex and precise manufacturing journey, combining old-school metal casting with modern chemistry and engineering to create a device that has been a staple of infantry tactics for over a century. And that's the incredible process of how a grenade is made. From a pool of molten metal to a fully assembled device, every step is a testament to precision engineering and strict safety protocols. What should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into how things are made. See you next time.